Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to fix storage problem or reset storage issue in Motorola G87. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.